Create document by using templates. Log in to your SigningCloud account at my.signingcloud.com. Select the Create Documents button from the dashboard and proceed to upload your document. Click on the button, Using Templates. It allows you to use a document from the templates you stored in template list. A new document's added with your template settings loaded and redirect to next steps, which is Prepare Recipient. For any recipient roles, enter the actual email address accordingly. Click on Next after Set All Recipient. The pre-filled input fields are located as stored in templates without repeating the same steps. To make additional changes, you can always change in any desired steps such as add documents, add recipient, or remove pre-fill input fields. Continue to review Send after verifying all the steps are correct.
SigningCloud. Sign with confidence.